Top 10. Best sit-on-top kayaks. Limited amount of legroom? With a closed-style kayak there is unfortunately not a ton you can do. Number 10. Emotion Stealth Kayak for the ocean. The kayak features enough room for even the tallest person but is still light, and maneuverable enough that even a child will be able to glide this vessel through the water. It does track well in the water, and you will find that you can turn it easily, even when you are hitting high speeds. It is also perfect for fishing too. Stable. Lightweight. Secure. Number 9. Malibu Kayaks Pro 2 Tandem, for adults and kids. The kayak is larger than most and a lot lighter. This makes it easy to maneuver in and out of the water, and it is light enough for kids to be able to lift and paddle in. There is ample storage for anything which you want to take with you, and you will still be able to reach great speeds with this kayak. Great for kids. Stable. Lightweight. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best sit-on-top kayaks or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Riot Kayak Escape 12 Angler, with 5 rod holders dotted around the kayak. The choice gives you the freedom to place the rod where you want it or to use multiple rods at the same time. The performance of the kayak is also something which will endear fishers to it. You will find it easy to get to the perfect fishing spot. Pilot rudder system. Rod holders. Great maneuverability. Number 7. Wilderness Systems Angler, orange and reds which adorn this kayak, and we are sure that you will too. If you do not, then there are other bright and fun colors to choose from. The Wilderness System Tarpon 120 fishing kayak shape and size of this kayak make it great at cutting through the water. It is easy to maintain that speed. Maneuverable. Fast. Looks great. Number 6. Lifetime 10-foot Sport Fisher, and it does not get you excited. The fact that it has 3 fishing pole holders will. With a comfortable padded backrest, this tandem kayak will keep you and your friend comfortable for long quiet days on the water. Coming with many different heights of footrests. 3 fishing pole holders. 5-year manufacturer warranty. Fits many different heights. Number 5. Lifetime Tioga Sit, a day on the lake or down a lazy river for a new and fun experience. The Coast Guard has approved this incredibly durable board that rides similar to a rigid board, providing the stability you are looking for. This Lifetime Tioga 120 sit-on-top kayak is also UV resistant. Comfortable backrest. UV damage resistant. US Coast Guard approved. Top 10. Best sit-on-top kayaks. Ever experienced a leg cramp when sitting in a kayak and with the limited amount of legroom? With a closed-style kayak there is unfortunately not a ton you can do. Number 4. Perception Pescador Pro is perfect for long trips out into the wilderness. The storage capacity makes it the perfect kayak for bringing lots of fishing gear or packing up your camping equipment. You could even bring both and become self-sufficient for a few days. The gear tack system also allows you to customize your kayak. Bungee fasteners. Adjustable seat. Durable. Number 3. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak. Great for use with kids that will love the look. This color also offers added safety in the open water, increasing your visibility. This Intex Explorer K2 kayak has a lightweight design, making it easy to portage between lakes no matter how many people are there to help. Lightweight design. 2 separate air chambers. 2 removable seats. Number 2. Ocean Kayak Frenzy Sit on Top Recreational Kayak. The molded footrests ensure you will have enough room no matter how tall you are. A perfectly placed cup holder allows you to have quick access to your favorite beverage. The seat is comfortable and easy to install, while the bungee storage system ensures 4-way adjustable seat. Loads of storage space. Replaceable skid plate. Number 1. Dolphin Bali SS10 is the best sit-on-top kayak for beginners that will have you fishing out in the open water in no time. It sports a wide stable base with a spacious cockpit. You sit along the bottom of the hull while the walls come high around you, all while your legs are completely exposed. Its well thought out bungee system. Stable base. Cup holder. Comfortable seat. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best sit-on-top kayaks or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findlay fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.